Namaskar. Holi is a wonderful festival of colors and joy. It's a festival where you remove all your negativity and come out beautiful, happy, and colorful. It's a festival which brings joy with each other. You are friendly, happy with each other, no animosity anymore with anybody. It's very interesting festival, but sometimes the colors can be tough to remove. Don't worry. Today I'll tell you some natural remedies for removing the color from your face and your body, from your hair, and for every problem there is a solution. So some natural solution will always help you to see that your skin's health is protected. So let's start with your face with two remedies. The first is a face wash. Mix a tablespoon of gram flour with a pinch of turmeric and enough water to make a paste. Massage it gently onto your face with a circular movement. For a few minutes, this gentle massage, focus on those areas where the color is applied and then rinse with cool water and pat dry. Gram flour has a natural exfoliating properties, while turmeric helps to brighten and even out the skin tone, making it perfect for removing holy colors. The second is a face pack. Mix 2 tablespoonfuls of pre-soaked multani matti with honey, rose water and lemon juice to form a paste. Apply it to your entire face and neck. Leave it for 20 minutes and then rinse with warm water. After rinsing, you may apply little warm melted ghee on your face if you feel too dry and tight. Multani mitti is great for removing colors as it has excellent oil absorbing property and can unclog pores. Now, for your hair, we will use a mixture of fenugreek methi seeds, yogurt and lemon juice. Soak 2 tablespoonfuls of fenugreek seeds in water overnight. Grind them into a fine paste in the morning and mix it with half cup of plain yogurt and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Apply this mixture to your hair and scalp. Cover it with shower cap and leave it for a few minutes. Rinse your hair with warm water, shampoo and conditioner as usual. Third, for the skin, we have another remedy. Mix 1 cup of red lentil powder with dried orange peels, mustard oil, turmeric powder and coconut milk to form a paste. Apply it to your skin and massage it in a circular motion to help remove stubborn colors. Let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse with warm water. The red lentil powder acts as an excellent exfoliant, while the orange peel helps to lighten the skin and remove impurities. Mustard oil is rich in antioxidants and can help to moisturize and soften the skin, while turmeric has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Coconut milk hydrates and soothes the skin, leaving it soft and refreshed. Fourth, lastly, for the nails, we have a simple but effective remedy. Mix apple cider vinegar with warm water in a bowl. Soak your nails in this mixture for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse with warm water. Apple cider vinegar is a natural astringent that can help to remove stains and discoloration from the nail. It also has antibacterial and antifungal property that can help to prevent infection and promote healthy nail growth. After enjoying the festival of Holi, I hope you will find these remedies helpful and easy to follow to remove any stubborn colors. I wish a happy Holi to you and to the whole family. Namaskar.